Welcome back to the channel. Today we're talking about one of the most exciting and beginner-friendly drones of the year, the DJI Neo 2. If you're someone who wants to start flying drones without fear of crashing, or if you want a powerful drone that's easy to control, the DJI Neo 2 may be the perfect choice for you. Stay with me till the end as we talk about its camera, features, price, and why this drone is becoming a top choice for new creators. The DJI Neo 2 is made for simplicity and safety. DJI built this drone for beginners who want to learn cinematic flying without spending hours learning settings. It's lightweight, quick to set up, and very stable in flight. Whether you're flying for the first time or upgrading from a basic drone, the Neo 2 makes flying feel professional right away. The design is compact and modern. It has foldable arms, strong build quality, and aerodynamic curves that help it perform well even in wind. It's easy to carry anywhere, perfect for travel, vlogging, or shooting outdoor content. The DJI Neo 2 has a high-quality camera that shoots stunning 4K video. You get sharp, colorful footage and smooth stabilization thanks to the 3-axis gimbal. Camera highlights: 4K 60 FPS video, great dynamic range, strong image stabilization. Even beginners can capture cinematic shots easily. The drone is very smooth to fly. It includes different flight modes like beginner mode and sport mode. Flight time is around 30 minutes, and the drone remains stable even in moderate wind. Controls are responsive, making the flying DJI Neo 2 includes important safety systems, obstacle avoidance sensors, auto landing, auto return to home, GPS stability, beginner mode to limit speed and height. These features help new pilots fly confidently without stress. Experience safe and enjoyable. The drone includes smart shooting modes like Follow Me, Active Track, Orbit, Quick Shots, Rocket, Drone, Helix. With one tap, the drone performs professional movements automatically. The Neo 2 is perfect for beginners, travel vloggers, YouTubers, students, social media creators. Benefits include easy flying, professional video quality, safe controls, and portability. The DJI Neo 2 comes at an affordable price depending on region. Considering the camera, features, and safety systems, it offers amazing value for beginners. The reason behind the hype is simple. The DJI Neo 2 gives professional performance at a beginner level. It's rare to see a drone that is safe, affordable, powerful, and easy to fly all at the same time. People are shocked at how smooth the flying experience is, how clean the footage looks, and how confidently new pilots can fly it. Tech reviewers, YouTubers, and travel creators are hyping it because it removes the fear of crashing and gives beautiful cinematic shots instantly. The DJI Neo 2 is being called the best drone of the year because it manages to balance everything perfectly: price, features, camera, safety, and portability. Or they are beginner-friendly but lack professional footage. The Neo 2 gives you both. DJI packed advanced features in a simple drone that anyone can master. That's why it's dominating the market this year. The drone has a compact and modern design with foldable arms and strong build quality. It's lightweight but durable, making it easy to carry during travel or outdoor shoots. Its aerodynamic design also helps the drone stay stable during windy conditions. The DJI Neo 2 features a powerful camera system that shoots stunning 4K video at 60 fps. The colors are vibrant, the dynamic range is strong, and the 3-axis gimbal keeps your footage smooth and cinematic. Beginners can create content that looks like it was shot on high-end professional drones. Camera highlights: 4K 60 FPS recording, HDR support, excellent stabilization, sharp and colorful output. The flying experience is one of the biggest reasons this drone is trending. The drone responds smoothly, stays stable, and handles windy conditions well. Flight time is around 30 minutes, giving beginners enough time to practice without rushing. Safety is where this drone truly shines. DJI added obstacle avoidance sensors on multiple sides, auto return to home, auto landing, GPS stability, beginner mode to limit speed and height. These systems prevent crash and allow beginners to fly stress-free. The Neo 2 includes smart shooting modes like Follow Me, Active Track, Orbit Mode, quick shots like Rocket, Droney, Helix. With one tap, the drone performs cinematic movements automatically, making your shots look professional without any flying skill. This drone is ideal for beginners, travel vloggers, YouTubers, students,